Hi, my name is Brad Swancoat. I'm your commercial mortgage teacher, and I'm here to discuss a new business model for success. I have over 15 years of real estate financing experience, totaling over $1/3 billion in loans funded, totaling approximately about 1,800 individual transactions. At one point, I hosted my own talk radio show down in Phoenix, Arizona on KFNN called Commercial Real Estate Success, exclusively about commercial real estate. And it was through this experience that I realized that there was a better way to do commercial loans. In fact, I've coined the term the Hunter-Skinner method. So I want to talk today about the Hunter-Skinner business model for success. Really what it is it breaks up the entire commercial loan process into two distinct specializations: the marketing and the origination of the commercial loan, and then what I call the back office, which is the administration, the processing, the packaging, the underwriting, and the closing of the loan. Traditionally, that is all the responsibility of the commercial loan officer. But what I have found to be more successful is to break that up into two distinct responsibilities. And that's what I'm here to talk about today. The Hunter-Skinner business model for success. It's how we make money. You may ask, why change the model from the old school style of commercial loans to the new school style of Hunter-Skinner? Well, let's briefly discuss that. In the old school style, not only was the commercial loan officer responsible for originating and doing all the marketing and all the soliciting of finding the commercial loan, he also had to do all the back office, back administrative duties involved in a commercial loan, which takes anywhere from 5 to 10 times as much time as it takes to even locate the loan. For example, some of the responsibilities of the back office in a commercial loan transaction. Let me go over those. You have to locate and gather the borrower's documents. You have to pre-qualify the property and the borrower. You have to run credit. Then you have to source the lender that specializes in that property and that loan type. Plus you have to package the loan to the lender's specifications. Submit it to multiple lenders because you want to make sure that you're shopping that loan in the entire marketplace. And then you have to meet the lender's conditions, hopefully making loan adjustments that will continue the process so that your loan isn't dead. Then you got to take the letter of interest, sell the rate and the terms back to the borrower. Ask the borrower for good faith deposits for both the appraisal, the environmental report, and continue to gather verification documents to meet the lender's specifications. You have to assist the borrower through the entire appraisal environmental process. Then you have to work with the borrower and the title company to close that loan. And you have to address all the borrower's questions, concerns, and objections. That typically takes 70 to 90 days process, or you could just call us. The Hunter-Skinner model changes that dramatically. You become the hunter. You just go find the loans. We are the Skinner. We handle that long laundry list of responsibilities. And one of the reasons that this is a difficult industry to break into is because it takes a tremendous amount of experience to understand how you go through each one of those steps I just described, and you do it in a professional, error-free manner. We handle all of that for you in the new business model for success, the Hunter-Skinner business model. What this new business model gives you is immediate access to a very professional level of expertise in commercial loan financing. Through our funding sources, you immediately have the expertise available to just a select few in the country. For example, you'll be able to do all types of loan transactions: commercial real estate purchases, refinances, business-only loans, receivable financing or factoring, SBA financing, equipment leasing financing. We even can bring equity partners, equity players to the table, credit players to the table in order to get your transaction funded. Remember, in my course where I talk about being the deal maker, we have these persons and these entities available for your benefit and the benefit of your borrower. These would take years, if not decades, to accumulate on your own. We provide mezzanine loans, hard money loans, construction, A, C, and D loans. We do financing for R&D, renewable energy, business development. We can even do loans in foreign countries. Goodwill loans, note brokering loans. We finance gold mines, any type of mining loan. We finance oil tankers, satellites, horse ranches, theme parks, movie theaters, shooting ranges, golf courses, gas stations, marinas, bowling alleys, restaurants, bars, nightclubs, churches, multifamily, liquor stores, party shops, any type of unique property. Where are you going to gain the expertise needed to know the nuances, the in and outs, the details of all these different types of financing opportunities? I'll tell you how. Through the Hunter Skinner business model. You hunt the loan, you hunt the opportunity, you find a borrower in need, then you bring it to the Skinner. We utilize our funding sources in any type of these situations in order to get your loans closed. Probably one of the greatest advantages of the Hunter Skinner business model for success is the level of experience that you need in order to make a six-figure income using this business model. You really don't need any experience. In fact, who can benefit most from this type of strategy is residential mortgage brokers, residential realtors, commercial brokers, commercial mortgage brokers, insurance agents, financial planners, tax preparation professionals, automotive salesmen, stockbrokers, even soccer moms can utilize the Hunter Skinner business model of success that we have available. Business opportunists and entrepreneurs, and really anybody who has a drive to be successful and financially independent. There is no experience necessary, just a hunger to succeed. You don't need credit, you don't need a down payment, you don't need experience, you just need to be able to find a commercial loan opportunity and turn that over to the Skinner and fund that loan and make money. I like to compare the Hunter Skinner business model for success to Henry Ford's assembly line. He innovated a new process of manufacturing. We're innovating a new process of servicing your borrower, where you don't have to install every nut and screw and bolt and tire and bumper and engine and antenna and windshield. You don't have to do everything on that. You specialize in finding the need. We specialize in the assembly of the loan. It creates a much better entrepreneurial opportunity for you, because you don't have to do everything to produce the car. All you have to do is the one thing that you do best, which is go find a commercial borrower. Here's how to get started, and please get started today. Go to our website and download our free report. It explains everything. It tells you all about the process. It gives you all the applications that you need to get started, along with the loan submission form. Start today. Get our free report.